Bonjour, in this video, I will show you how to create this 3D gold letter in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to easily add a 3D effect to your letter and add a drop shadow on your canvas. You'll need a color palette from the Creative Vault that contains all the resources I create for my Procreate tutorials. You can get it for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We're going to set the background color. Drop this beige color from the color palette. Select this other beige color and the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set and use it at the top of your canvas. Let's create the 3D effect. Download my lettering right below this video. Duplicate the lettering layer, select the bottom one, go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Increase the brightness. This is just to differentiate the two layers. Then use the transformation tool with magnetism on and move the layer to the bottom right. Duplicate it. We will use the bottom one later. Take the selection tool in freehand mode with the color fill enabled. Pick the color from your letter. Then connect the edges to create the 3D effect. Now let's add some gradients. First, let's start with the front of your letter. Swipe from left to right with two fingers to put Alpha Lock on your layer. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Use this dark blue color all over your letter with the soft brush. Use this lighter dark blue color on the top part of your letter. Now let's apply the gradients to the base of your lettering. Set this layer in Alpha Lock mode. Select this color from the color palette and apply the soft brush to your letter. Grab that darker color and use it on the edges of your letter. You can set the isometric guide to help you apply the gradient. Tap the Actions menu, Canvas, enable Drawing Guide, then tap Edit Drawing Guide. Tap Isometric at the bottom and move the green node to choose the orientation of your guide. So first I use the brush in a large size to the edges of the letter. Then I make tiny strokes so I don't have a smooth gradient and bring in that golden brushed texture. At an intersection like this, I leave a space of light color to show the corner. To add subtle highlights, duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Put brightness to max. Tap the Transform tool and move your layer slightly to the left. Decrease the opacity by tapping 2 fingers on your layer, then slide to the left. To add drop shadows, select the bottom layer we duplicated earlier, go to the Adjustments menu and tap Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Put brightness to none. Tap the Transform tool and move your layer towards the bottom left. Then connect the edges with your 3D letter. tap with 2 fingers on your layer to decrease the opacity. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Gaussian Blur in Pencil Filter mode. Next, use your Apple Pencil to create the Gaussian blur with the soft brush. And use your finger to adjust the strength of the effect. The idea is to use the effect less and less strongly as you approach the edge of the letter. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap again on the Adjustments icon to commit. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste, go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to around 50%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 2%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise and slide to adjust to 7%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take the opportunity to tell you that I am working on an online course to learn how to make artworks like this one. For example, you will learn to add these decorations, golden droplets with inner shadows. If you are interested, you can join the waiting list via the link in the description to know when it will be available. So until the next one, bonsoir!